Hi friends, this is Geeta Sarvade, Wellness and Lifestyle Advisor from Mumbai, India. Health and wellness are on radar these days. The second wave of the pandemic is far more deadly. The whole country is in trouble. The speed of the virus is 3 times more than the speed of vaccination. And when such a thing happens, when the speed of virus is more than the speed of vaccination, the virus will mutate. So what are we going to do? Is the virus going to go? Well, the answer is a big no. So what are we going to do? How are we going to help ourselves and our loved ones? The answer is by building our immunity. Now, when it comes to immunity, we will build our immunity in such a way that no matter any kind of virus, today is COVID-19, after that maybe COVID-20, then 21 or 22. It should not matter to us. We will build our body defense mechanism in such a way that it will take care of the foreign body as well as it will take care of the repercussions and the inflammation caused because of it. So we will build a defense mechanism which will be ready to handle any foreign body, may it be insecticides, pesticides, viruses or bacteria. Now how are we going to do this? Well, doctors and the medical fraternity is shouting loud about 2 things. One is the heavy dose of vitamin C. Now why vitamin C? Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant and it takes care of the free radicals caused in our body. Well, the second is the zinc. Zinc plays a major role in healing because zinc is a multifactorial. So it helps us in the anti-inflammation as well as the antiviral. Means zinc is you can say anti-inflammatory as well as antiviral. Moreover to that, zinc also helps to provide a leukocyl barrier on the surface area where the virus tries to get into our body. So this makes zinc a very essential component which can help us during even during the during the process where we are fighting or going under the treatment. So zinc is very much essential before as a preventive measure from COVID-19, during the treatment of COVID-19 and also after the treatment of COVID-19. So one more topic what doctors are talking loud today is about supplements, because every one of us, we know that the nutrition level in our plate, from our food plate, is diminishing day by day. So what kind of supplements are going to support us? So here in market there are available, lot of supplements are available, like synthetic supplements are there which are at a very lower cost, but we need to supplement ourselves with some natural supplements, and what I came across was very much helpful. I would like to share you 2 such supplements where I came across V-Roots, and V-Roots has this super zinc in its very natural form. Second, we have the natural C 1000 mg. Can you see this? Yeah. So this is exactly what we want. This is what the medical fraternity and doctors are shouting loud about. So what are we waiting for? I will share you the link in my description box below to get these handy for you. And so we will be prepared and Together, we will fight, we will sustain, and we will definitely win. Thank you.